everyone, it's Timothy with Cars in 4K. So here's the beginning of a project race car. So I just found in Phoenix, Arizona. I just drove from California this morning, and yeah, it's 110 degrees out here. I'm a California boy, and you know, we can't handle this kind of heat. But basically, here's a C55 AMG 2005, and I don't want to say it too loud, but basically I would say this is probably the cheapest one you can find right now on the market in the US, as everybody says, you know. But this one I'm pretty sure quite cheap, you know, for what it is. So basically plans are gonna pull the engine, put a supercharger in, strip the whole interior out, put bucket seats in, put a roll cage most likely, you know, and then go from there. And because right now, as you can kind of see, it needs some TLC for sure, but luckily because I have a shop, and I'll show you inside, you know, of course, like it needs some work for sure, but it's all doable. I have a shop, Mercedes shop as well, so you can get working stuff with C55 AMG. A rare beast. So this is an 05. I have a 2006. This one has quite a lot more miles on it, but I don't care because basically I'm just buying it for the body, and then the engine will be swapped out, pulled out, you know, and maybe even take out the engine and put it in something else, who knows. But yeah, basically I think it's a good starting point. So I'm gonna have to get it towed from Phoenix, where I am right now, back to California, and just getting that all settled right now, and then we're good to go. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna add in some cool adventure shots of getting here as well, because it's been quite a morning just driving and stuff. So yeah. So we're here in Arizona, like I was saying, and this is the C55 race car, project car that I'm buying right now. I think it's the cheapest one in the US for C55. It's a 05 generation. So gonna make this into a project race car for sure. So hope you guys enjoy. I mean, I have a normal C55, but I don't want to do all that extensive work on that car, so I thought I'd buy this one.